Overview of the room status page in Softinn PMS. Hello Softinn PMS user. We have improved our room status page. With room status flow, it is important that you properly check in and out your reservation so that your room status will reflect accordingly, and complete, manage, or mark clean for your cleaning task so that you are able to check in the next reservation to the room and for hourly bookings, 30 minutes before the guest's supposed checkout time, the room will be automatically changed to orange color with the broomstick icon. Let's check out this video to find out more about the room status page in Softinn PMS. Log in to Softinn PMS. Select the correct property. To go to the room status page, click on the room and then select the room status. From this page, you can see the room status for all the rooms that you have Softinn PMS. On the right side of the page, you will see the advanced filter. From the filter, you may filter however you would like to see on the room status page. When a room is in the white color, it means that the room is vacant. Click on the room number, you will see a list of menus such as Create Reservation, Mark as Dirty, and Create Cleaning Task. You will be seeing Complete Cleaning Task instead of Create Cleaning Task if there are housekeeping tasks for that room number. You are now able to mark the room dirty or clean regardless of cleaning task status for the room. If you mark as dirty for the vacant room, the room will be changed to yellow color which show as dirty. You can also choose to create a cleaning task if you want to notify your housekeeper to clean the room. When you click Create Cleaning Task or Complete Cleaning Task, you will be redirected to the housekeeping dashboard to either create the cleaning task or complete the cleaning task. When a room is in the light blue color, it means that there will be an arriving guest to that room. Click on the room number to choose either to check in the guest, mark as dirty or create cleaning task or complete cleaning task. Please note that, if you mark a room as dirty, you will not be able to check in the guest to the room. The room will be changed to light blue with broomstick icon. You will need to mark as clean first and before you can check in the guest. When the room number is in the dark blue color, it means that the room is currently having a stayover guest. Click on the room number to choose either to view folio, mark as dirty or create cleaning task or complete cleaning task. If you mark the room as dirty, then the room will be changed to dark blue color with a broomstick icon. When a room is in the orange color, it means that the room guest is checking out. Click on the room number to check out the guest. Once the room is checked out, the room will become dirty automatically. Dirty room will be in yellow with a broomstick. You will need to clean the room before you can check in the next guest. Furthermore, if a dirty room with a swinging broom icon, it shows that a cleaning is in progress. Click on the room number to choose Complete Cleaning Task. When a room is closed for maintenance, it will be in gray color. When you click on the room number to go to calendar page, and update the maintenance allocation accordingly. User access control to room status page. As a hotel manager, you can grant the access to your staff to manage the room status. To perform this action, you can go to Softinn Extranet. Then, click on More. Click on Manage User. After that, click on the Manage Role button. Next, select the role that you want to grant this access. On the PMS section, tick Manage Room Status to grant the user to manage room status. With the room status page, it will be helpful for you to know the room status at one glance.
Hi, thanks for watching. I'm Grace from Business Department. Our role is to assist business manager in managing daily operation, business administrative duties, file filing for finance, hiring processes, and also conduct business research and analysis. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel.